Boozhoo, Niman Wayne Momapi Ajayeg, Miss J and Dejinakaz. I am the social emotional support teacher here under the launch grant at the ECC. We are now into week 7 of our second step social emotional curriculum. This is unit 2. We start unit 2, and I really like this unit because it's identifying feelings. So this week at school, your child will be able to identify some feelings by looking at clues on other children's faces. So for instance, and the two emotions we focus on this week are happy and sad. Happy and sad. We'll get into more of other emotions, but this week it's happy and sad. And so we talk about, we show them the picture of Alex and Sarah. And this you can do at home too, because you can say, look, here's Alex and Sarah. How do you think Alex is feeling? And how can you tell? How do you think Sarah's feeling? And how can you tell? This is just ways like that your child might say, well, their mouth is smiling, or their mouth looks sad, or her head is down, or her eyes are looking down. Alex's eyes are a little squinty, and his cheeks are up. So, and just talk about that facial expressions, because it really does make a difference when a child can feel that, how another child is feeling, or know how another child is feeling. One of the songs you can sing at home is, remember, a lot of you know this song. If you're happy and you know it, give a smile. If you're sad and you know it, give a frown. And then you can just sing different. If you're frustrated and we'll get into those other emotions later on. But I really love Unit 2 because it really helps these children to learn how people are feeling by reading cues. So that's week 7 of second step. I hope you have a great week. If you have any questions, give me a call here at the center. Miigwech Bizendawiyeg, Gigawabamin.